Government agencies have implemented preemptive measures and pre-positioning of resources and manpower in areas that may be affected by the typhoon. The Philippine National Police has also placed search and rescue teams on standby. Lade Kabagani is on the phone for more. Lade, go ahead.
Yes, Mar, the PNP activated its disaster preparedness and response protocols ahead of the expected impact of Super Typhoon Inday. PNP Community Affairs Division Chief Colonel Jonathan Abella said all police regional offices, national support units, and other concerned units were placed on the heightened operational readiness to ensure public safety. The PNP said search, rescue, and retrieval teams, quick response teams, and other disaster response personnel are on standby for immediate deployment. PNP rescue equipment, patrol vehicles, communication assets, and other emergency resources have also been inspected and pre-positioned in areas that may be affected by the typhoon. The police are also coordinating with the Office of the Civil Defense and the RRMC, local government units, and other response agencies to support a preemptive evacuation, secure evacuation centers, maintain peace and order, and provide traffic management. Also, PNP Chief General Jose Melanchon Retartas Jr. has directed all police commanders to closely monitor the situation in their areas and immediate respond to emergencies and request for assistance. The PNP is urging the public to monitor official advisories from PAGASA and other government agencies, follow evacuation orders from local authorities, and avoid traveling to areas at risk of flooding and landslides. Meanwhile, OCD placed Metro Manila under blue alert as Typhoon Inday is expected to enhance the southwest monsoon and bring heavy rains across the NCR. The OCD also opened its virtual emergency operations center to facilitate online coordination, while its physical emergency operations center will remain operational until Saturday. MMDA warns heavy rains could trigger flooding, particularly in low-lying and flood-prone communities. The government pre-positioned its emergency response equipment in strategic locations nationwide. That's the latest about disaster preparations. Back to you, Mai.
Thank you, Lade Kabagani, reporting.